Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Just Sophia. So guys, today we are doing another Make Money Online video, and we are going to talk about Hive Micro, a website where you can make money online by completing simple tasks, different simple tasks. So now, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, personal development, motherhood, and just anything that will change your life positively. If that is the kind of content you're looking for, please just remember to subscribe, guys, okay? Don't watch and go. Please subscribe, like the video, and share me out. So now, this video is for you if, number one, you have an internet connection. You either have a phone. Number two, you have a phone or a computer or a laptop. Number three, you have time. Now, I am not promising that this will earn you a lot of money, but the good thing with it is that you can actually complete this task on your phone and earn money as you go, whether it is on the couch as you watch TV, whether it's when you're cooking in the kitchen, whether you are on a train or a bus to town. Just as long as you have an internet connection, this is something that you can do. And it can be a very good side hustle, especially for those people who are in college, students, or just anyone who desires to have an extra coin in their pockets, which I know we all do. So let's go to the laptop. So the site is called hivemicro.com, and that is exactly where we are. So now for the first time, you'll come here and click sign up. It's very simple. You'll just give your email address, of course, create a password and all that. And then let us just see how it works. So first, sign up. Register directly or with your Facebook profile, and then you apply for jobs. So this is not one of those sites that you cannot get jobs when you're new. You simply sign up and then you start accessing jobs, and then you start completing your tasks. And then, of course, you get paid. So they pay weekly. They pay weekly via PayPal or in form of Bitcoin, as you will choose. And then what kind of tasks, you may ask. So these are some of the tasks. Draw a box around an object. By the way, they are very easy. They're so easy. So you can either be asked to draw a box around an object, categorize the scene in an image, transcribe audio to text, track the same object across frames in a video. I don't know. So now some of the tasks are things like maybe identifying whether a certain picture is sexual explicit, or how is it called? So you categorize it whether it's sexually explicit or So now those are some of the things that you'll be doing on this website. So these are tasks that are given by small startups, universities, large companies, who wants to solve big problems like banning hate speech, making videos searchable, building autonomous vehicles. So those are the kinds of jobs that you will get. This is their community. Users 1.5 M. So now if you're asking whether this site is legit or not, my goodness, 1.5 people can't be wrong, right? 1.5 million people cannot all be wrong. So that means this site is actually legitimate, and you will actually get paid. And then if you have any questions, they have an FAQ section. What do I need to make an account? You can register using your name and email or your Facebook profile. Do we have a mobile app? Yes, you can actually download this on your phone, or you can go to Play Store or Google Apps. Yes. How do I earn money? As you complete tasks, you'll see your account balance increase. So every task has a particular amount of money that you will earn. It is indicated there. For example, for 1,000 tasks, you will make $2. So once it has crossed the payout threshold, payment will be sent to the account on your profile. So now you are the one who will determine, who will put a figure of what the payment threshold, the payout threshold will be on your account. How do I choose a task? Some tasks are harder to learn but pay more. Others are easier or more readily available. Try a few different ones. So you can always try different ones to see where you lie more. And I think as you continue using the website, they will give you more tasks that pay a little bit more. Yes. How do I get qualified for a job? Each type of task has its own test. So every time before you are given a set of tasks, you'll be given a test that takes around 10 to 15 minutes to complete. And then now that the test will have instructions on how to complete the selected job and takes about, So now that test is what will determine if you'll be given those particular tasks or not. Is there a fee to use your platform? Not at all. Don't pay anything to use my Hive Micro. Will I actually get paid? Yes, I can assure you that you'll get paid, and I'm going to show you an account of my niece because she has been using this platform for some time, just so that I can let you know that you will actually get paid. So to get started, you simply come here and then you sign up and create your account, your Hive Micro account. So let us sign in, log in. You simply enter your email address. Then you enter the password. Click I'm not a robot, then sign in. Please confirm you are over 18. So some of the pictures that will be shown on this platform are explicit photos, so you need to confirm that you are actually above 18 years of age. So this is her account, and then right now you see she has $7 pending. Tasks completed. She has completed a whole 26,679 tasks. Earnings so far is $57. That is what she has been paid to PayPal. So you can see like this one, transcribe information from image. So this one, 1,000 tasks, you'll be paid $30. So like I was telling you, you'll always be shown the amount that you'll be paid per 1,000 tasks. Yes, per 1,000 tasks, like this one. And then what else? You see the amount of tasks that are available, 1,510. So these are some of the tasks that you can take, guys. So I have actually shown you that you will actually get paid because she has earned $57 so far. So now there is no reason for you to doubt this site. So you can give it a try with all the confidence that you have. But now I have to warn you guys, in the beginning of the video, this is not something that will make you rich. They don't pay so well. That is one of their disadvantages. They pay so little. Like you can see here, 1,000 tasks for $30. Okay, I know the tasks are very simple, very, very easy, and you can complete them in a very short time. But now can you imagine doing a whole 1,000 tasks, even if you will do them within 1 hour or 2 hours, and then you get $30. For someone who is looking for a lot of money, you might find it insulting, for lack of a better word. But now, guys, if this is something that you would love to try, then go ahead and do it. And let me know in the comment section how it goes. So, guys, that's it about hivemicro.com. I hope that you can go and try out this site. If you have already tried it, please comment down below and let us know about your experience. Of course, it is always good to learn from each other. So comment down below, let us know if you have tried it or if you're going to try it, or just talk to me. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has been of help. I hope you have learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, and see you in the next video. Okay, bye.